Well, as of right now, nearly 3,000 confirmed cases of monkeypox have hit the United States, and that number continues to rise. 4 of those cases popped up right here in Ohio. The World Health Organization declared a global public health emergency just days ago, and now the White House is deciding whether to do the same. News 5's Clay Lepard takes a closer look at this disease and the parallels that other virus we've been dealing with for more than 2 years now.
Overcrowded hospitals, long lines for testing and vaccinations. These images still vividly remain in our memories from the past 2.5 years. However, medical leaders are now pivoting some of their attention toward another disease, monkeypox. Ohio had its first confirmed case back on June 13th.
Monkeypox is a virus that it seems to spread from close skin-to-skin contact or close household contacts. It causes a painful rash that looks like a group of pustules together.
His Barron office points it out, but Dr. David Margolis, Division Director of Internal Medicine at Metro Health, is about to transition as the City of Cleveland's new Director of Public Health next month.
At this point, we have a handful of cases in Northeast Ohio.
And he expects monkeypox to quickly become a major priority once he takes over, hoping for better coordination as vaccines for this disease remain difficult to obtain from the federal government.
In Ohio, it seems that vaccines are only available to people who have a known exposure to someone with monkeypox.
We want to get ahead of it. You don't want it to become a part of life. But how many people have died compared to, say, COVID? 0.
Prior to this global health declaration, monkeypox had only been seen in Africa, with people getting it from infected wild animals. However, now in Europe and North America, experts say they're seeing it spread among people with no links to animals or trips to Africa. Monkeypox now joins a list of declared global health emergencies such as the H1N1 virus in 2009, the Ebola outbreak in 2014, the Zika virus in 2015, and of course, the COVID-19 pandemic.
I think I would love for people to have questions about the virus. I would love for people to continue to advocate for more vaccines, but I certainly don't want folks to panic.
In Cleveland, Clay Lepard, News 5.
And at least 5 people have died from monkeypox worldwide, and none of those deaths took place here in the U.S. Most of the cases in our country have been with mild symptoms, including headache, fever, exhaustion, and a rash that looks like pimples or blisters.